Got windows on your house you want cleaned? You don't want to get on a ladder? You're going to want to see this robotic window cleaner. It cleans the window, cleans itself automatically, and this machine will get you those weekends back doing the things you want to do instead of the chore of cleaning windows. And you know, when I see something cool, I want to bring it in here. Today we're looking at the Ecovacs Winbot W3 Omni. This is a robotic window cleaner. It does everything for you. It's an all-in-one system. All you have to do is stick it to the window and let it do the job. And I'll tell you what, I've tested it thoroughly. It works great. Let's dive into it. The packaging was very solid, and it's a very well-built machine. It comes with everything you need in this kit: the main unit, the window washing fluid, battery, and an extra wash pad. Purchasing a machine like this is an investment, and I was very curious as to how it's going to handle the daily use and how the performance is going to be. Ecovacs has been making window cleaning robots for a while now, and this newer model has the Omni machine, which promises to clean the wash pads after the use, which is awesome. Now, they also make other robotic items, and that's kind of how I got interested in this machine. I did a recent robotic lawnmower video. I really liked it, so they're putting out good stuff. I don't think this is going to be any exception. I'm looking forward to it. Setting up the machine is really easy. Let's just spin it around. Inside the compartment in the back here, we got several different ways we can power it. We can plug it into a typical wall outlet here. We also have the onboard battery. Now with the plug, we can run this machine pretty much indefinitely, but with the onboard battery, we get about 130 minutes of runtime. And some people might ask, well, what happens to the machine if the battery runs out of power? There's an extra battery in here that'll provide 30 minutes of suction onto the glass prior to anything like that happening, so that you'll be alerted and you can come pull the machine down. That's a neat safety feature. This machine is locked securely to the tabletop, and I was starting to wonder, how is that happening? It's a really powerful suction cup on the bottom. Now you can see me pushing it, it's not going anywhere, and then when I pull the handle up, it releases the suction cup, and now it can be moved very easily. Kind of a sneaky little safety feature there. I like that. All right, so that's enough with the statistics. This machine is an all-in-one unit that's designed to clean those windows super easy, and that's what I'm here to show you guys. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the machine. On the top here, we got the display screen with all the touch buttons around it. On this side, we got the clean water. We're gonna fill that up with clean tap water. And then on this side, we got the dirty water. This is after the pads get cleaned automatically. We're gonna dump this container out. Now on the back of the unit, we got the actual window cleaning robot, and we're gonna go ahead and fill this up right here. Just go ahead and put that in. All right, right to the surface there, but not overfilling it. Now that was all super easy. Let's go ahead and power the machine on. I'll connect it to the app, and then we'll get started. So after just a few clicks, installing my username and password for the Wi-Fi, the machine totally connected to the application, and it went very easily. All right, it's time to go clean some windows. We'll just put the robot right in front of the window here. Now I can tell you, I haven't cleaned these windows in a long time, and there's a lot of dirt on them. I'm kind of excited to see how this is gonna go. Now, let's go ahead and fire it up. This is my first time ever using this machine. Let's check it out together. We just pull it off to the back here, put the robot on the window, hold the power button. The vacuum starts, we let go, and I can tell you, wow, that's an impressive amount of suction there. That's not going anywhere. And we just let the machine do its job. What's really cool about this is I don't have to sit here babysitting it. I'm gonna let it clean this giant window. I'll be back in a little while. Inside the app, you're gonna find a variety of cleaning modes. Choose the best cleaning mode for the soil level of your windows. For these dirty windows, I've chose Thorough Clean. All right, so we get an alert on the phone saying it's done, and we're back. We just pressed the power button. The vacuum shuts off. We take control of the robot, hook it up on the back of the mount here. Hit the auto retract button. And that's it. So this window turned out absolutely amazing. It's crystal clear, no streaks, no residue. It did an amazing job. Now after a big window like this that was super dirty like that, the pad is gonna pick up a little bit of dirt. I wanna show you real quick how we wash the pads in between window washes. Now normally we could do this right on site. It's really quick and easy, but let's go down to the shop where we can see it close up and I can show you how it works. All I can say is, wow, after one pass, that window came amazingly clean. But now let's take a look at what we're left with here. We got the wash pad here is pretty filthy, so I'm kind of curious to see how is it going to clean in there. So let's go ahead and remove it. That comes off really easy. We'll open it up, put it inside, and let's just do a standard wash.
Winbot is starting standard wash now.
The wash cycle can also be started right on the front of the machine. I gotta tell you, while this is running, the results on that window are absolutely amazing. That thing was filthy. And now just to come in with a dirty pad, throw it in the front of here and have it wash itself, this thing is definitely cool. I'm really happy with it. Okay, it alerted me again. We're done. Let's go ahead and see what we got now. Look at that. That pad is like brand new. Not a speck of dirt on it. All right, we're all set up, ready for that next wash. Oh yeah, this is a great example. This is perfect for the automated robot. Anytime you're climbing around on ladders trying to clean windows, that's not the safest way to do it. This is perfect for the robot. We'll stick it on the window, we'll let it do the job automatically, and let's see how it goes. All right, let's go right to the next one. And it's that simple. We're gonna bang out 2 windows with no effort at all. So that went really easy. Both of these windows are super clean. I'm happy with them. Now let's talk about the different items on this machine that make it a great performer. You can see here as it comes across that it has a sprayer unit on the front and the back. It sprays the cleaning solution on the window, wipes it up with the pad, and keeps on going. That's really neat. You can also see as it bumps off the wall here, it drops down, it does overlapping passes, which is great. It guarantees we're not going to miss any spots. Also the sound. The sound is very quiet. I'm standing right next to it. I can tell you that the sound is not going to bother anyone. Edge cleaning performance is great. It gets down, works its way back into the corner, and it rolls along the edge here with these rollers, and it is absolutely touching the perimeter of the glass. And I can tell you right now, it's getting a really tight cleaning right up to the edge there, and I appreciate that. And the corner management. It comes over, it bumps, does this little turn in place, and then it's going to come back down and then up the sideline. Just absolutely great. Not missing any spots at all. I like that. Let's watch it clean this filthy window while I give you my opinion on the machine. The safety features work great. This unit has a 12-stage safety system comprised of strong suction, safety ropes, backup power for 30 minutes if the battery dies, gravity sensors, alerts on the machine as well as to your phone, smart navigation so that it never gets stuck, and can navigate around obstacles just great. That gave me the confidence to leave the machine all by itself to do its work and just wait for it to alert me to come back and pick it up off the window. One of my favorite parts about the machine is that I could start cleaning, go do other things. It runs quiet enough in the background. With that being said, it's not completely set it and forget it. There are a few things you need to do. You need to refill the water tank, empty the dirty water, occasionally check those pads and auto wash them. But overall, it removes most of the physical work out of this window cleaning, and that's a good thing. This machine's a great value, especially when you consider hiring a professional or the labor and effort that it takes to do it yourself, especially for homes that have a lot of glass. I also gave the Winbot a try on my dirty outdoor shower. I just stuck it on like any other window. It got started and just started cleaning and doing an amazing job. It did a real good job working its way around the handles, the hinges, the corners. And then here you can see a 50-50 where it's just taking that couple months of outdoor Hawaiian red dirt and just wiping it right off. You can do the inside, outside of the shower, and the results are really nice. So I had a real good time reviewing this machine. That's one of my favorite parts about the channel. Getting really cool equipment in here, testing it out, putting it through the ringer. And when one shows, good promise and it works amazing, I got to give it to it. And this is one of them. This virtually is going to eliminate my window cleaning. It works on the outside, the inside. I have large windows out front and medium-sized windows all around the house. This is going to be great. I did them all during this process and they're all sparkling clean right now. And the only way I'm going to keep them that way is with a machine like this. Now, I'll leave links down in the description so you can go down, check out the most current pricing, and see if it's a fit for you. Right off the bat, I want to say if you have a full-size house with multiple windows, this is going to be great. I highly recommend it. If you have an apartment with maybe 1 or 2 windows, you're going to have to make that decision yourself. But all in all, killer machine. I appreciate you sticking around to the end. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. We're going to be doing lots of cool content in the future. And check out my older videos too. I think that some of those were cool too. This is a great machine. Oh, yeah, we'll see you on the next one.